16 by 48 aluminum weld John Boateaux.
This is our boat. It's a 96 model. This is the start of our project. First thing I'm gonna do is clean it all out. Get the boat off the trailer, turn it over, because I want to do the bottom first, set it on some sawhorses. While we're waiting on paperwork come in from the state. It's gonna need a new winch. Definitely gonna need a new jack, or I can rebuild that maybe. I really don't like that tongue. I like a bulldog tongue. Needs tires. I think about 2002 I redid the axle and the boards. They need carpeting. It's gonna get a complete paint job. The plan is right now is to extend this casting deck all the way back to probably here. We're gonna have an ice chest mounted inside here. 110 quart ice chest. We'll split it in the middle. We'll put a piece of plexiglass or something in between there, caulked real good to where you can have your fish shed on one side and your drinks on the other. The steering console is gonna be redone, and I'm gonna either build a lid on here somewhere where the fuse boxes underneath there, where they eat, probably on the other side though. You ain't gonna be able to stand in the water to change the fuse out. One side's gonna be fuel, one side will be batteries. I'm gonna run a 6 pair of wire all the way through the floor up to the front to where, you know, you have wires to feed your trolling motor, speaker wires, because I'm gonna have speakers up front. This seat will be cut and made into a storage box also. And on this side, I'm thinking I'm gonna have me like a rod box, shotgun box that's closed in. And that'll be about it. A lot of work. I'm gonna keep track of my hours and everything I do on this boat to get her ready to rock and roll. That's it for today. We just gonna do some cleaning.
Sucker punch somebody on the sidewalk, carjacking old lady at a red light, pull a gun on the owner of a liquor store. You think it's cool, act a fool if you like, cuss out a cop, spit in his face, stomp on the flag and light it up. Yeah, you think you're tough. Well, try that in a small town, see how far you make it down the road. Around here we take care of our own. You cross that line, it won't take long for you to find out. I recommend you don't. Try that in a small town. Got a gun that my granddad gave me. They say one day they're gonna round up. Well, that shit might fly in the city. Good luck, try that in a small town. See how far you make it down the road. Around here we take care of our own. You cross that line, it won't take long for you to find out. I recommend you don't. Try that in a small town full of good old boys raised up
These farmers are dropping their own crops for the day. A friend is in need, and they've come to help.
It's what this community and a lot of our communities stand for. Somebody needs some help, you'll get it.
I've been told I need to focus on my life, work a little harder, do my part, start living right. Ain't got the answers, but I think I seen the light. 'Cause since I met you, all I wanna do is waste some time, 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 waste some time. Wasting time, wasting time, wasting time. Wasting time, wasting time, wasting time.
Now I'm a 300-pound redneck rebel. I'm a God-fearing man that's had to dance with the devil. The Lord, I pray my soul to take if I should ever die before I wake. But see, right now I just want to love and live and show this country girl what I got to give. A whole heap and helping us some country fun, full of four-wheel drives, dirt roads, and shotguns. Ain't nothing better than being out in the woods with Nick and nappy roots and blazing that good. Lord, I'ma tell you we're doing it just right. Got my plowboy bunny right by my side. This is me and my girl and old Sick'em Sam in a flatbed Ford off a Copperhead Dam. Listen to Jamie sing that lonesome song. It's all just right, y'all can keep it wrong. Come on.
I've been told I need to focus on my life, work a little harder, do my part, start living right. Ain't got the answers, but I think I seen the light. Since I met you, all I wanna do is waste some time.
With my feet up, lawn chair beat up. On my third six-pack player, can you keep up? Gotta ride deep in the sticks, wanna see us. Front yard, golf bill, bottom, wanna tee up. Cataracts here, tell Junie go re-up. Bulldog van, every truck throw a G up. Hospital, school, and the church, one street up. Talk more proper when the city folks greet us. Tired of going to jail, so I learned how to chill. Minute a little later, have a ball at the grill. Friends in the keg in the country boy meal. I should recommend you how country boy live. Luck, no luck, or bucks, no bucks. I'ma have me a ball in the trunk, boat truck. I never been rich, but I really don't want much. Just some proof and some real liquor in my cup.
I've been told I need to focus on my life. That's right. Work a little harder, do my part, start living right. Ain't got the answers, but I think I seen the light. Since I met you, all I wanna do is waste
I got 5 on the wood, 20 on the keg. I been left the hood, yep, I did what I said. Mama, I'm good, about as cool as they come. We cook the whole hog and love chicken where I'm from. I used to be the bum, now I think I'm fresh. Still rock my same jeans and keep the liquor to myself. Got a little wealth, so I gotta thank the Lord. Couldn't do it by myself, got some help and go forward. Now we in the Ford and we traveling on a gravel road. He said he knew a spot where the music and the liquor flow. And of course, I'm down like 4 flats. Drove a country mile, took a left to be exact. Let it smack dab in the middle of the sticks. Now I done seen a lot of things, but nothing like this. A bunch of pretty women, nothing less than a dime. Go for it and have the room, so you know we gon' waste some time.
I've been told I need to focus on my life, work a little harder, do my part, start living right. Ain't got the answers, but I think I seen the light. Since I met you, all I wanna do is waste some time. Wasting time, wasting time, wasting time. Wasting time, wasting time, wasting time. Oh, you baby, we're gonna waste some time, some time, waste some time, yeah. So we won't do. That's all we won't do.
Okay, the Boateaux is all primed, everything but the inside. That's the old 23-year-old floor that's getting replaced. And that's the start of the camo pattern on the steering column.